step into the fire. Feel the burning rage. Heavy risk collide. Breaking out the cage. Shadows in the alley. Echoes in the night. We fight the silence. Bringing truth to life. The beat hits hard. Like thunder in the bone. Rap metal fusion. Carving out our own zone. Scream loud. Break free. Chains, let it be. Rise through the noise, shatter the calm. Voices unite with a heavy raw song. Alternative beats with a rock soul twist. In the fight for the sound, we can't resist. Words spit fire over crashing sound waves. Metal and rap from the depths we raise. Energy unleashed, power in the flow. Grinding through the limits, watch us steal the show. No retreat, no surrender, feel the ground.